You can adjust the steering trim so you can turn pretty sharp if you need to. Overall, it's a very fun boat, guys. Not to be annoying, we're going to go over it very quickly, and then we're going to show you this actually on a lake. Well, on a pond. The remote takes 3 AA batteries. Standard remote. On, off, you got your trim. Settings right on here. Here's the boat itself. It's very simple. You go ahead and you twist this to the unlock position. You pull this out. You place your battery right inside here. You just simply connect it with the cable in here. Close it back up. Once the battery's inside, place it like this. So you're going to see this little groove right in here. You're going to line that up, pop it in place, turn it back to the lock position, and you're ready to go. Make sure it's fully locked. Make sure there's no corners that are up. Let's go drive. So as you can see, you can go very far. I mean, we are way out there. So we don't want to test the limits too far, but it's very far. So it's a lot of fun.